MooreCo, we are known for innovation. We are proud to say we are the first manufacturer to offer a porcelain steel desk and table for students to learn on.
MooreCo's porcelain steel desk and tabletops provide an ultra-smooth glass-like surface that enhances color contrast, reduces glare, and minimizes eye strain. These whiteboards are designed for decades of heavy use, erasing 3 times better than new laminates and 6 times better than used whiteboards, without ghosting or residue. The tops are crafted from glass, heat-bonded to a durable steel substrate, making them twice as scratch-resistant as high-pressure laminate and resistant to everyday dents and scratches. A galvanized steel bottom ensures superior balance and longevity. Our innovative injection molded edge band is fully sealed, eliminating sharp edges and cannot be removed, like traditional glued or T-band edges. The porcelain tops are chemical resistant, Class A fire rated, and withstand repeated cleanings, even with bleach. They're also magnetic for hands-on activities and come with a 50-year lifetime guarantee, far surpassing HPL's typical 1-year warranty.
Visit our website for more information and thank you for watching.